Ever wondered what it's like living inside a cozy, mobile abode? Welcome to the world of RV and van life. It's a lifestyle that's gaining traction with wanderers, adventurers, and those who yearn for a life less ordinary. Picture this: waking up to a different view every morning, your home on wheels parked amidst nature's grandeur. Sounds captivating, doesn't it? But before you pack up and hit the road, remember, the key to a successful journey lies in the planning. It's about knowing your vehicle inside out, choosing your route wisely, understanding the pros and cons of different camping options, keeping an eye on the weather, and preparing a list of activities and essentials that will make your trip enjoyable and stress-free. And of course, always securing your journey with adequate insurance and leaving some wiggle room for spontaneity. So, are you ready for your first RV or van life adventure? Let's start with the basics. Your RV or van is your home on wheels. It's important to know it inside out. Just as you would know every nook and cranny of your brick-and-mortar home, so too should you familiarize yourself with your mobile one. Let's start with power capacity. Understanding your vehicle's power capacity is crucial to ensure your appliances and devices run smoothly. Next, gas mileage. This is key for planning your travels and budgeting for fuel costs. Are you aware of your vehicle's miles per gallon? If not, it's time to find out. Then we have the bathroom and kitchen setup. Knowing your water capacity, how to empty waste tanks, and how to use your kitchen appliances can save you a lot of hassle. And let's not forget about the heating and cooling systems. It's your home after all. You want to be comfortable. Remember, the more you understand your mobile home, the smoother your journey will be. An adventurous journey requires a well-thought-out route. That's right. Charting your course is an essential part of the van life experience. You'll want to start by identifying your start and end points, then filling in the spaces in between. Consider factors like the distance between fuel stops. You don't want to be caught low on gas in the middle of nowhere. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. So, look for scenic routes and interesting sightseeing spots along the way. Plan for rest areas too, because no one wants a drowsy driver behind the wheel. Use apps or websites that cater to RV and van travelers. They often have useful information about routes, campsites, and points of interest. Consider the season, as some roads may be closed or dangerous during certain times of the year. And remember, a flexible plan often leads to the most exciting adventures. Your route is your roadmap to unforgettable experiences. To camp or to boondock? That's a question every RVer grapples with. Let's delve into the nuances of both options to help you make an informed decision. Campsites offer a sense of community. You'll find fellow travelers, shared facilities like restrooms, laundry, and sometimes even a pool or a playground. It's a more structured environment, but it comes with a price tag. On the other hand, boondocking or free camping gives you the liberty to park almost anywhere. Imagine waking up to wild landscapes, breathing in the unfiltered wilderness, and relishing the tranquility. It's a priceless experience, but it demands self-sufficiency. With no access to facilities, you'll need to carry everything, from water to waste management solutions. So it boils down to a choice between comfort and costs, structure and freedom. There's no right or wrong here, just what aligns with your personal preferences and preparedness. Choose what suits your style and comfort. Embracing van life doesn't mean you can't be eco-friendly. In fact, it gives you a unique opportunity to tread lightly on this beautiful planet. Let's explore some simple yet effective ways to live sustainably on the road. Firstly, reduce your waste. Opt for reusable items like water bottles, shopping bags, and cutlery. Secondly, conserve water. Remember, every drop counts. Use biodegradable soaps and detergents to minimize water pollution. Thirdly, be mindful of your energy usage. Solar panels are a great way to harness the power of the sun and reduce your reliance on non-renewable resources. Lastly, respect nature. Follow the leave no trace principle. Dispose of your waste properly and avoid disturbing wildlife or their habitats. Remember, we are just visitors in these wild spaces. Living sustainably on the road is not just a choice, it's a responsibility, and it starts with you. Before we dive into the next scene, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more van life tips and tricks. Stay tuned. Weather can be a game changer in your RV or van life journey. It's not just an old adage, it's a reality. Whether you're navigating rough terrains or planning a picnic by the lake, the weather plays a pivotal role in your plans. Imagine setting up camp, only to be met with an unexpected downpour, or driving through an area that suddenly experiences a snowfall. These scenarios can not only disrupt your plans, but can also pose serious safety risks. That's why it's crucial to keep an eye on the weather forecasts, not just for your current location, but also for the areas you'll be traveling to. There are numerous weather apps and websites that can provide accurate forecasts. Some even alert you about severe weather conditions. So before you hit the road, make sure to check the weather, and keep checking it during your journey. This way, you can adapt your plans accordingly and ensure a safer, smoother journey. Stay ahead of the weather, and you'll stay safe. Your journey should be more than just driving. It's about exploring, experiencing, and embracing the world around you. Think about what you love to do. Do you enjoy hiking? Are you an avid bird watcher? Or maybe you're a history buff who enjoys visiting historical sites. Planning activities for your journey can turn a simple road trip into an adventure. Start by researching the areas you'll be visiting. Look for local attractions, nature trails, or unique dining experiences. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Consider activities that will allow you to immerse yourself in the local culture, explore the natural beauty of your surroundings, and create unforgettable memories. However, don't forget to balance your activities with rest. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of new experiences, but remember, rest is just as important. Plan your activities well and you'll never have a dull moment. Packing for an RV or van life journey is an art. It's about striking the right balance between having what you need and not overloading your vehicle. Let's dive into how to create that perfect packing list. First, prioritize the essentials. Think about your basic needs: food, water, clothing, shelter, and hygiene. But remember, you're not packing for an apocalypse, just a delightful journey on the road. So keep it simple and minimal. Next, consider your van's capacity. Every item you pack should serve a purpose, preferably multiple. It's all about multi-use items here. A pot that doubles as a frying pan? Perfect. A compact collapsible ladder? Absolutely. Don't forget about your leisure time. Pack a few books, games, or a portable musical instrument. But remember, the stars of the show are Mother Nature and the open road, so don't overdo it. And finally, pack with organization in mind. Use storage solutions like bins and vacuum bags to maximize space and keep things tidy. Pack smart, and you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Safety and security should be your top priority. When you're out on the road, your RV or van becomes your home, and like any home, it needs to be secured. A well-secured vehicle can deter potential thieves and help you avoid unnecessary mishaps. Don't leave your belongings in plain sight. Store them properly in compartments and lockers. Use a high-quality lock for your doors and windows. Installing a security system or a GPS tracker can be beneficial too, offering an extra layer of protection. But securing your journey goes beyond just physical safety. Financial security is equally important. This is where insurance comes in. It covers unexpected damages, theft, and even personal injuries. It's the safety net that will catch you when things go wrong. It's not just about protecting your vehicle, it's about protecting your peace of mind, your journey, your adventure. Secure your journey, and you'll sleep soundly each night. While planning is important, don't forget to leave room for spontaneity. Life on the road is not just about ticking off destinations from your list or sticking to a rigid itinerary. It's about surrendering to the allure of the open road, the excitement of new places, and the joy of unexpected adventures. Spontaneity can lead to some of the most memorable experiences. Perhaps you might stumble upon a hidden waterfall while exploring a trail, or meet a group of locals who invite you to a traditional feast. Maybe you'll find a quaint town that's not on any map, or discover a panoramic view that leaves you breathless. The key to enjoying these moments is flexibility. Be open to changing your plans, taking a detour, or even extending your stay at a particular spot. This is the essence of van life, the freedom to follow your curiosity wherever it leads. Embrace the unexpected, and you'll make memories that last a lifetime.